Hello, and welcome back to SoftSpeak. You did very well yesterday. Today we continue gently. Take a deep breath in and out. Good. Feel calm. Feel safe. Hello, Ethan.
Hello, Cynthia. I am ready today.
Excellent. Today we play with numbers and time. Very simple, very slow, little by little. Numbers 1 to 5. Let us start with numbers. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Listener, repeat with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Very good. Now numbers 6 to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. Let us count slowly together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat softly.
Cynthia, is 8 a spider?
No, Ethan. A spider has 8 legs, but 8 is just a number. English is friendly and likes to smile. Now listen carefully. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Excellent. Listener, your mind learns even softly. Just listen and repeat gently. Now, days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. Repeat softly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Listen carefully. Today, today is now. Tomorrow, tomorrow is the future. Yesterday, yesterday is the past.
Today, tomorrow, yesterday.
Perfect. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Ethan, what day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Good. How many days in a week?
7 days.
Excellent. Now, can you count from 1 to 20?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Perfect. Very calm. Very natural. Let us review slowly. Numbers 1 to 20. Days of the week. Today, tomorrow, yesterday.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, today, tomorrow, yesterday.
Perfect. Very gentle. Your mind is learning. Even softly, even slowly, you remember. Your brain absorbs every sound. Numbers, days, time expressions. Repeat softly in your mind. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, today, tomorrow, yesterday. Feel calm. Feel confident. Today you learned numbers 1 to 20, days of the week, today, tomorrow, yesterday.
I can count and say days. It feels easy.
Yes, English can feel calm. English can feel friendly. This is the end of episode 2. You did very well. Listen again tomorrow. It will be easier each time.
Thank you, Cynthia.
Goodbye, Ethan. See you soon.
Goodbye, Cynthia.